And Jay Jones Taekwondo. I first got into Taekwondo by my granddad, took me down to a local club in Flint. I just started to get a bit mischievous really when I was younger, so he just wanted to get me going in the right direction and burn off some energy there. Just by chance it was Taekwondo, and I just fell in love with all the flashy kicks and spins. Then when I got to 15 I watched the Beijing Olympics and I thought, oh, I want to get one of those golds. So I had to switch over to the full contact Olympic sports style, and that's where my dream really started really. Yeah, when I won, you can't really explain, it's hard, but it was the best feeling in the world. People just see it on the Olympics for 2 weeks and I think you just go there and turn up and sort of be lucky, but no, it was like years and years of hard training every day, like crying and all sorts of stress. And in Taekwondo anything can happen. You could be the best but like lose by just getting kicked to the head like unluckily or something. So for it to all to happen on the one day, like perfect, for it to be in London, and it was just an amazing feeling. The national anthem was playing, all my family and friends were there, and unforgettable. Flint have helped me amazingly to be from such a small town. I'm from a council house in Flint, so yeah, and didn't have enough money to go to the major competitions that I needed to qualify for the Youth Olympics. So everyone got behind, all the pubs raised loads of money, all friends, family, and just everybody got behind and chipped in and enabled me to go to the Youth Olympics. You know, I was on the radar then for London sort of thing, so definitely that meant a great deal. Coming back to Flint with the gold medal, because after all the hard work they've put in, it's just amazing to come back and just say, ah look, I've done it sort of things. Yeah, the bus is amazing. Loads of people was on it, everyone was going crazy, there was music blaring, it was all singing and dancing, and then there's thousands of people in the street, so yeah, it was a good day. Like, I know a lot more people have got into Taekwondo, you know, because they see me winning, so yeah, I'd like to become a role model and just get more people into sport, whether it's Taekwondo or just any sport, because it's, you know, a really good path to go in. It's a great job to just be doing like the sport you love every single day. In years and years to come, you know, no one's going to know Jay Jones, but then when they see that gold postbox, the memory will live on.